Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a Christmas decor haul that I wanted to share with you guys. So I have some things from Ross, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx, and I wanted to put it all together in one video. But before we begin, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time watching, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click that notification bell as well, so that way YouTube can notify you every time I post a new video. And I do post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm really excited about this haul, and I really wanted to show you guys what I got because I did find some really nice Christmas decor, and I just think it is amazing. So the first thing that I picked up, it is from Marshalls. So this is a really awesome wooden decor, and it says have yourself a merry little Christmas. This was $9.99, and I do think this is amazing. Like, I'm really into that wintry foresty Christmas vibe, and I love the truck. I'm still into like the Christmas trucks. I just think it is beautiful. I love the fact that it's snowing and it has that old wooden look to it right here. Now it's more hollow on the inside, but it's thick. I cannot wait to have this up. So I had to pick this up. And then I only got one thing from TJ Maxx, and it is this right here. This is most likely gonna go on my nightstand right here. And it says is the most wonderful time of the year. I really love that saying. I love the fact that this is red. It kind of has like that modern slash Ray Dunn look to it, but this is not Ray Dunn. This is by Quill and Paper by Sixtress. So here's the back. And here's another thing I want to mention is that this is the same brand. Marshalls and TJ Maxx carry the same brand. This one was $5.99. Now the rest of the items are from Ross. So the first one that I wanted to show you guys, it is so freaking cute, and it is this bird right here. I've been wanting to get a bird like this for a while, and I was so happy that I seen it at Ross. It is so freaking adorable. This is $4.99. I did also see that Walmart has these, but I end up getting it at Ross because I do like the look of this, like the candy cane style hat, and just everything, the style. This bird looks so freaking cute. And I was gonna get two, but I ended up only getting one because I was thinking of putting this on my nightstand as well, like right next to this one. We will see. It depends how it looks right there, but I'm debating it putting it there. And I just think this is so cute. I have a thing for like Christmas birds like this, and it is just so cute. And I have to say it stands up pretty nice. So the next thing that I picked up are some mugs. So this is the first one, and I was so excited to find this. This is obviously a Christmas mug, and it looks like this from the inside. It is red, and it says Jesus will make today amazing. I really love that saying. If you guys don't know, I'm a Christian. So this I really love because it says Jesus, and most Christmas mugs will say Merry Christmas, or will have like Santa Claus or a snowman, but I hardly see any Christmas mugs that says something about Jesus, and Jesus is the reason for the season. So I am just so happy that I found a mug like this. I'm probably going to keep maybe one of these mugs just because I love it so much, but one of them I am gonna give away as a gift, and I really love this. So this was $3.99. Most of the mugs at Ross, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx are $3.99. So I do think that's a great price, but I really love it. I love the way it kind of like comes out. Really nice shape. I don't think it tells me how many ounces it is. I mean, maybe it does, but it has this tag and it's so hard to get off. But I'm thinking it's at least like 12 ounces. And then the next one is this one. So this one says, follow the Lord Jesus, he knows the way. I love this so much, and I love the fact that they only used red and green color to it. I just think it's beautiful. Again, it's literally the same style mug. The only difference is the saying on it, and this I just think is so beautiful, and I'm just so excited to get it. So there's that one. Please guys, let me know which one should I keep. I don't really know. Obviously I'm not going to keep both because I really don't want to be a hoarder, but I know I'm going to keep one, and I just don't know which one to keep. I really love both of the sayings, but I really want to just keep one, like I said. So I don't know. Help me out guys. Let me know which one would you keep. And now the last piece that I want to show you guys, and it's actually a fashion item. It is a handbag. And usually at Ross, I do not ever buy any handbags. I don't know why, I just never do. And this one I just had to pick up. The moment I seen it, I fell in love with it. You guys have no idea. This is so beautiful, and I do think it's a really great quality for what it is. So this was $12.99, and this does remind me of the Gucci style purse, but obviously it's only $12.99. I think the chain is a really nice weighted quality, and I'm very picky with chain, guys, just because some of the chains at Ross, when it's around this price, they end up being very like cheap looking. So the gold looks cheap and I really don't like it, or it ends up being way too thin, and I don't like super thin chains just because they do look cheap and I just feel like it's not gonna hold. So this, the moment I seen it, guys, I snatched it up. This is such a beautiful handbag. I'm very impressed. I didn't think that I was gonna love it as much as I do, so I cannot wait to wear this. And it does have like this cute little tassel as well, which I absolutely love. And I have to say, the reason why I love the tassel is that the color is on both sides. There are some tassels like this that the color is only on the outside, and on the inside it kind of looks like a undone material that usually what's on the inside of this material, if you know what I mean. But this is just really well done. I cannot wait to wear it. Most likely I'm gonna wear it like crossbody. This is perfect for either casual or really nice and dressy. That's why I love it. I love this color, and it's just beautiful. Like, the stitching is done right. There's no misstitching or anything undone, and I just love the hardware. Like I said, I love everything about it. This is by the brand Love Throve. This is by the brand Love Throve, and it says Los Angeles. But I really love it. I do think this is a really nice quality handbag, and I've seen these a lot of times. Ross, they carry handbags like this in different colors. They even have them like in the color black. But for some reason, this is the one that caught my eye. And when I seen it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. And I forgot to mention that the stitching on it is only in the front. It is not in the back. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.